guys, I am me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to make Croquette. If we say Croquette in Japan, it's always made of potatoes. So maybe Japanese Croquette is potato croquette in English? Croquette? Croquette? I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. First, wash potato well and then peel off. Then boil. Then now crush it, smash it. Which one? I don't know. Leave some big chunk like this. Now add sugar. Then mix well. Then you know what? Butter! Mix well. Next, I'm gonna mince onion. Now cook onion and pork. Pour a little bit of oil. Then heat it up under medium heat. Then cook onion first. Now, お肉ドーン! Now add salt. Then black pepper. Right, done. Now add all of the pork and onions into potatoes. Then mix roughly.完成! Now I'm gonna make circle. Now coat them with flour, egg, panko. Now fry them. Heat up oil to 180 degrees. Wow. Iただきます。カリカリ。Thank you for watching. I hope you like this my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel right now. And if you can, please give me a thumbs up too. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye!